now that the DSS has refused to release Omoyele Sowore despite court order pronouncing so, it goes to show that we no longer have three arms of government, and that the judiciary itself is no longer the arm that adjudicates. And it also goes to show the powerlessness of the judicial system, or the arm of government. Now, the judiciary is supposed to be the hope of the common man, but this, brazen refusal of the DSS to do according to the decision of the court or verdict of the court does only one thing, which is to make the judiciary look itself very helpless. Now, if the judiciary is helpless, where is the hope of the common man? Now, what you people are promoting is anarchy. Anarchy in the sense that people will feel, after all, you don't obey court order. If you don't obey court order, who wants to obey it? If people within government don't obey themselves, don't obey institutions that they set up, why does any ordinary person want to obey it? You are the people inviting anarchy. Now, this is a call to those of you in the judicial sector, lawyers, even those in the legislation or in the legislative. What are you legislating? If you are making laws that cannot be obeyed or respected by somebody who believes he's DSS head, or somebody who believes he can order the DSS not to obey the laws, then it is vanity that we are wasting money paying for legislators to be in the house or on the floor of the house. You are making laws that cannot be respected. The judiciary is also interpreting laws that are tantamount to nothing. Now, this is a call on those of you who are in the judiciary, those of you in the NBA. You need to rise and protect that institution, protect that profession. Otherwise, they have bastardized this. There's nothing left. This goes to show that it's been a very long time that they have been abusing court processes and court outcomes like this. It's not the first time. But the Sowore matter is figurative and very symbolic. It is coming to show us many things that are happening in our system. It is not the first time that they have been refusing to obey court order. We remember those of Exazaki. However controversial they might be, the moment court has pronounced it, you let it be. If you want to challenge it, you challenge it. Not that you are deliberately playing games or pranks and delaying everything. It doesn't make sense. Now, will you now accuse anybody who doesn't obey the law? Oh, somebody shunts traffic or traffic lights or jumps red lights, and you go after the person. Police, beware. Because the signal or the message we are getting, or the citizens are getting, from this kind of brazen or flagrant abuse or flouting of the law, is only sending one message: that you can get away with it. So you went to court. When it suits you, the court gave you permission to hold him for 45 days. It is now time the court say, oh yeah, leave him. You don't want to obey that one. So, law convenient. Is that what you are saying? Barristers, lawyers, solicitors, counsels, learned counsels, senior advocates of Nigeria, Femi Falana FF, Barrister Monday Ubani of the Tiger branch of the Nigerian Bar Association, the entire Nigerian Bar Association, Barrister Delia Deshino, Mike Ozekome SAN, all of you, Adegboruwa SAN. It is time. Moise Banire, as many as I can remember, will mention your name. This is the time for you to rise up and protect this legal profession, because it doesn't make sense that all the times you went to law school and all of those things and wasted your time defending this and that, pronouncing constitution, somebody will just sit down somewhere and decide he does not want to obey them, or it does not matter to him. It's an embarrassment. It's a disgrace. It's a wash. It's a wash down of the entire institutional relevance of the judiciary or of the court system. Let's crash it and everybody goes home. Why will court give an order? It only happens when it only takes effect when an ordinary man or an ordinary person is affected. But when it comes to those of you in the big places, you start playing games, and you are angry that there is anarchy in town. You are the ones that are fueling anarchy. So all of you who are in the legal profession, please rise now and defend this. Keyamo, the mistake you made was that you believed that they were going to put you in the justice sector. You want to be the minister for justice. Oh, sorry, the moment you went, I knew they were not going to give you, because you are saying what they don't want to do. They don't want the laws or the rules of law to be obeyed. The moment you went to the floor of the house and started saying you want to unbundle the legal system, or the court system, or you want to disintegrate this and reintegrate them, or democratize the Supreme Court system to be present in every state, they didn't like it. They want a centralized form that they can remote from anywhere. That is exactly what they are hoarding justice. So you now see those of you that are saying, oh, new entrants into politics are supposed to go and join APC and PDP, and hijack it from within. You can't. The moment you try to do the right thing, they kick you out. Keyamo is silent right now because he also knows that what they are doing is wrong. But because if he speaks, his masters will kick him out. In APC, you have to look very stupid. Not only be stupid, you also have to show that you are stupid on national TV. That is why they are trying to embarrass Keyamo, going to defend what is wrong. Now, if I don't even want to go there, but there's something I'm supposed to say, but I don't even want to go there. But what matters, or the bottom line, is respect the law. The law says hold him, you held him. The law now says, oh yeah, release him. It's difficult. Why? Now, to those of you who are defending this system because it suits you, because you feel your father in the body loan, father in the Lord, at body loan, is still accommodated within the system. We are waiting for your time. But you know what? The good news is that we in the saner sector of our country, who are activists, we don't take it against people. We don't take it against people. It doesn't matter whether you are PDP or APC. As far as your right is trampled upon, we fight. But it's good for you. Be partisan. Remain there. When it happens to your father, your sister, your elder brother, your sibling, your wife, your husband, or your concubine, call us. We will still fight for you. It doesn't matter. We are not like you. But those of you who are in APC, who are defending this bullshit that is going on because you feel it is partisan, it is party loyalty, we will find out whether your loyalty is respected by them when their interest is involved. But see, what matters most is loyalty to your life, loyalty to your fundamental human rights. Somebody is already trampling on those rights right now as we speak. So there are some big men somewhere who can say, even though court orders it, we are not doing it. They want to go and serve them. The DSS is blocking them from serving it. Oh, by the way, you have forgotten. There was a time the DSS went midnight and started busting homes of judges. Are you waiting until they come and start busting lawyers' houses too? Guys, get out of your cocoon. It is time for all of you, regardless of whether you are partisan or you are loyal to Atiku or you are loyal to APC or you are loyal to PDP or any other party. It is time for all of you to come together. Save this profession first of all. Parties have expiry. I'm telling you, because they will soon be replaced, all of them. Save that profession and that institution first of all. It matters to you more than party or partisanship. Save that legal possession. Save that judicial sector. All of you should come out and protest. Lawyers should come out and protest. Barrister Monday Obani, I'm challenging you, the Tiger branch of Inikeja of the Nigerian Bar Association. All of you abroad, all of you at home, all of you across states in Nigeria, you guys should come out and let people join you. Those of you that have also been cheated before, that you got judgment from courts, on just cause, and they are trying to use their power to suppress it, you should also join this protest. Those of us who feel that this is our country and we prefer institutionalism over partisanship, we will also join you. All of you should come out and let us do this at once. That is what I just want to say. Thank you so much for listening.